Today, I'll teach you guys how you guys can start recording your draft videos again. At the point where you paused, or in a way, continue recording your draft video again. So I will create a draft first. Alright, so I click on the plus button at the bottom. And let's say for an example, I create a little short draft video of my mobile phone. And I click on tick at the side. Click on next and click on draft. Now, this video has been saved as a draft. As you guys can see, I'm on my profile and it shows me draft. Now, let's say I want to record or continue recording in this draft again. I can click on the draft video and open the draft video. Once the draft video is open, at the top left corner, you can see an arrow pointing back. Click on the arrow pointing back and click on where it says continue recording. Once you click on continue recording, as you guys can see, now you can add extra clip on the older one. But what I can do is just hold on this red button again, so I can start recording again. This is what it's going to look like. And if I click on pause, and I click on the tick mark at the bottom right, as you guys can see, my old video is first going to be shown, and the new video, which I just clicked, is going to be shown as well. So that is basically how we guys can continue recording a draft video on TikTok. Now, I'd even upload this. I can click on next, click on post, and this video will be posted. So that's how we guys can continue recording a draft video on TikTok. You guys found our video helpful. Hit the subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time.